Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rohan Khandelwal. I'm the Principal Surgeon in the Breast Center at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. And today I'll be talking to you about breast density. Now this is a term which has caught a lot of attention recently, and you must have read it on your mammography report. Now what exactly does this mean and how is it linked to breast cancer is what I'm going to discuss in this video. So you know that the breast is made up of glandular tissue, fibrous tissue and fat, right? So if the content of glandular tissue and fibrous tissue is more and the content of fat is less, then the breast is said to be more dense. Okay? Whereas if the fat content is higher, then the breast is said to be less dense. Now, if the breast is more dense, that has two important bearings on the patient. Number one, breast density has been found to be one of the most significant independent risk factors for breast cancer. You know that there are multiple risk factors for breast cancer, but one of the most important is increased breast density. And the other problem is that if there is increased breast density, then the detection on the mammogram becomes difficult, because the mammogram appears all white because of dense breast tissue, and we are unable to differentiate a lump versus this dense breast tissue. Okay, so these are the two important points. Now there is a grading for breast density. Not everyone has extremely dense breasts. The grading is extremely fatty breasts, then you have mixed fibroglandular tissue, then you have scattered density, and you have uniformly high density. The last two categories are the ones which need to be careful, because there is a higher risk of cancer in the last two categories. But fortunately, it is only 10 to 15% of population that falls in the last two categories. Now, how do you come to know about this? You come to know about this when you get a mammogram done. Okay, and when do we get a mammogram done? So we recommend a mammogram after 40 years of age. Why? Because young ladies also have dense breast tissue. So mammography will not be sensitive in young ladies, which is why we say that if you have breast problems before 40 years of age, get an ultrasound. But if you have breast problems after 40 years of age, get a mammogram. Now on a mammogram, if the radiologist says that you have dense breasts, what do? The next thing which is to be done is we need to get another imaging test done, and that can either be in the form of an ultrasound or an MRI, and this your breast surgeon is going to tell you about. So the common causes of increased breast density, of course the first is young ladies have more dense breasts, and as the lady ages, the breast becomes more fatty. Another one is the racial profile. So it has been seen in many studies that Indian and Asian women have higher breast density, which is one of the reasons why our breast cancers are occurring a decade earlier as compared to the Western population. Another factor is the hormonal exposure. As I told you, as the lady ages, the breast becomes more fatty, but it has been seen that those ladies who take hormone therapy after menopause, they are found to have higher breast density. So increased hormones, which can be given for various gynecological reasons, can also increase the breast density. So these are some common causes which you should be aware of, and if you're on hormonal medications, please do consult your gynecologist and a breast surgeon to evaluate your breast density and your risk of cancer. But once you get to know you have dense breast tissue, you need to be careful, and you need to visit your doctor regularly to make sure that you're not missing out on an early cancer. Okay? So just to summarize the facts regarding breast density, breast density is an independent risk factor for breast cancer. You come to know about it on a mammogram. Only 10 to 15% patients have extremely dense breast tissue. If you have that, be in touch with your doctor regularly and see if you need additional imaging tests like an ultrasound or an MRI. I hope you found this video useful. You can even read more details regarding breast density in the article given in the link. Thank you.